Going on, guys? Darby here with Gen AI University. And in this video, I'm going to be talking through a question that we do get asked quite often when I'm giving presentations. Hey, Darby, you just gave us all the prompts from your buyer's brief book. Why don't I just go and do this in ChatGPT and just ask it for prompts? What is the point of working with you to do it for me? And frankly, there's a lot of ways that you can go and approach that. You can go to ChatGPT, you can put the prompts in there, you can take the prompts that we give you in this book, you can build your own GPTs with it. We have a lot of training around this. And while some that are a bit more technical and more marketing savvy than others might be able to pick up on this process much faster. You may already be doing a lot of this in your business anyways. The fact is, there's a large segment of the people we work with who are just business owners and entrepreneurs and not necessarily marketers per se. And marketing is often, in this case, a sticking point for putting what the ideas we talk about in this book into action. And it's because everything, regardless of what kind of campaign or initiative you're working on, is going to have an end target audience, whether it's a customer, it's a client, it's a partner program, whoever you're trying to reach in your marketing. It's going to come down to who that ideal target audience is and developing a persona around that specific segment so you can keep them as the North Star for the content you're going to be creating in your campaign. And so, as we cover in this book, the process of creating a blueprint for speaking directly to a segment of this target market is where everything starts, but there's also a lot of sub segments that you can identify and find inside of your research that AI is great for having as insight and inspiration to how you can expand and grow to different campaigns, but also how to keep it narrow and focused towards that specific segment. And so, while yes, you can go and do this inside of ChatGPT, yes, you can follow the instructions and the prompts and the commands that we lay out here inside of our buyer's brief book to follow along and do it yourself. Whereas if you're not necessarily trying to build this out as part of your core operation, you might want to work with somebody like us who can do this market research and this content development and strategy for you so you can focus on the areas that you are specialized in your business. While I understand that the book and the content isn't for everyone, if you are a small business owner or you work with small business owners and you struggle with being too close to the product and understanding your buyers, this book will help you do it. But also, our blueprints are done for you, full accelerated briefs, 50 plus pages in some cases, super detailed, actionable language and messaging, plus additional bonus content that we throw in as we continue to create and iterate on our own systems, all designed to helping the busy business owners, the entrepreneurs with the big ideas, getting clear on your target market and developing the language and the messaging that can help you with reaching them where they're at in the stage of the customer journey to connect with them all the way through to doing more business with you. So you can get the book, you can go through the process yourself. Heck, you can even go to ChatGPT right now and ask it for some prompts that could help you with coming up with your target audience. But if you want to go a step further and want to do it the right way with providing the proper context, the right brand information, everything that goes into creating an effective buyer's brief, it all starts with the blueprint. It all starts with a simple intake form. Just answer a few questions, hit submit, come back in 1 to 2 business days, and you're going to have a full report ready for you, delivered inside of your email inbox. I would call this the easy button if you're not already a marketer or someone that's looking to build this as part of their marketing system. If you do want to do that, you can learn how to do it yourself through this book. And we are open to partnering with marketing agencies to integrate this process into your existing workflow. So, one way or the other, there's a number of ways to work with us in helping you get inside the mind of your market. Reach out to me and get the book if you haven't already. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Keep calm and AI on. See you in the next video.